Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to download and install Play Store apps in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your browser. Now search your Play Store. Here you can see Android apps on Google Play. You have to click on this link. Now here you have to search your app. Now you can see here install option. If you want to install your app, then press on this. Click on install. So this is how to download and install Play Store apps in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.